Hey, what's up guys, it's Jesse. Today I'm going to show you how to build this porta potty. Now I do have a secret hidden here, and it's the stickers on the inside of the door. The reason those are there is because this door only comes in blue from the LEGO Simpsons Quickie Mart set. You actually get 2 of these doors in blue from that set, and since it's the only set with the doors in blue, I just didn't want to peel those stickers off of mine. I would hit up Bricklink if you're looking for this door in blue, otherwise a gray or even white door would work just as well. I hope you guys enjoy the video. As always, there is a parts list at the end if you're wondering about the pieces that I'm using, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at BrickDesigned, and consider subscribing if you haven't already.